Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to an Instagram post even after it's been posted. Yes, you heard that right. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on the post you want to add music to. Now tap the three dots at the top right of the post. And from the menu, select Edit. Okay, you will now see the Add Music option right below your username. If it's a single image post, tap on it. Browse or search for the song you want. For now, I'll just go with this one. And then choose the segment of the song you like. And tap on Tick button. And again hit the check mark or save at the top right corner. So make sure your Instagram app is up to date to see the feature. Viewers will now see a small music tag on your post and the song will play when they open it. If this video helped you, don't forget to tap like, subscribe for more Instagram hacks, and let me know in the comments what song you are adding to your next post. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.